I've had a challenging upbringing, faced a lot of adversity, and because of my circumstances, I wasn't able to graduate high school. Initially went to HACC because of, like an open house kind of event. And I went there kind of on a whim, just like how I got my GED, and started to kind of imagine what I wanted for myself and my children. I ended up enrolling that day in August at that event, and I wanted to maybe be a teacher, I thought. I certainly didn't think I was smart enough to be a nurse, but with a lot of support from my professors, I quickly learned that I'm smart. Like I could really do whatever I want. Not having a lot of support, especially from family or friends, which I didn't really have, it's such a comforting, warm memory for me to think back on my time at HACC, because a lot of people, professors, the vice president, everyone on campus, whether they knew me or not, they were always so warm and welcoming.